May Allah accept your dua. May Allah listen to your cry. May Allah open those doors for you. Brother, make dua and think positive of Allah. We are in Ramadan. So our reminder today is make dua and think positive of Al-Qadir, the able. Make dua, supplicate, call upon him, cry to him, and think positive of him. Al-Qadir, Allah, the able. Al-Qadir, the capable. Al-Qadir, the one who can make it happen. So make dua. If it is a door that is closed on you, you've been knocking the door for many years, it's not open, make the dua, be certain, have the assurance, be hopeful, believe in Al-Qadir and say, Ya Fattah, you are the opener. There is no opener but you. Ya Allah, open the closed doors for me. Allahumma ameen. ما يفتح الله للناس من رحمة فلا ممسك لها. Because he's Al-Fattah, whenever he opens the door for you, none can close that door. So say, Ya Allah, be hopeful, make dua. You are in Ramadan. Brothers and sisters in faith, have the trust and the belief, because when it comes to Allah, he says in Hadith al-Qudsi, Ana inda dhanni abdi bi, I am for my servant, I am for my slave what he thinks of me. So what do you think of Allah? What do you think of him? If you think that yes, he is Al-Qadir, the most capable, the able, then say Ya Allah. Call upon him. Be hopeful. Remove all the doubts. Because, listen to him. وَإِذَا سَأَلَكَ عِبَادِي أَنِّي فَإِنِّي قَرِيبٌ وَإِذَا سَأَلَكَ عِبَادِي عَنِّي فَإِنِّي قَرِيبٌ. Whenever my servant, Ya Rasulullah, oh my prophet, whenever my servant, whenever my slave asks you of me, they ask you about me, فَإِنِّي قَرِيبٌ, I am close. Ya Allah. فَإِنِّي قَرِيبٌ, I am near. أجيب دعوة الداعي إذا دعان أجيب دعوة الداعي إذا دعاني. I answer, I respond the call of the caller whenever he makes the call. I respond to the supplication of the one who supplicates. I wipe the tears of the one who cries and says, Ya Allah, Ujibu da'wat al-da'i idha da'ani. So make the call. فَلْيَسْتَجِيبُوا لِي. So they should respond to me. They should respond to my call. My call is, there is no one but me. I am the only one. I am the giver. I am the taker. Everything belongs to me. I have it all. The storehouse of all that they need is with me. So they should respond to me. So brother, respond to Allah. Say Ya Allah and be hopeful. You are Ramadan. أجيب دعوة الداعي إذا دعاني فليستجيبوا لي. Let them respond to me. وَلْيُؤْمِنُوا بِي, and let them believe in me. Believe in him. Have no doubt. أَفِي اللَّهِ شَكٌّ. Do you have any doubt in Allah? Is there any doubt in Allah? There is no doubt, brother. Because he is able, he is the most capable, he is Al-Qadir. So I pray, may Allah accept your dua. Allahumma ameen. Brother, make dua. Make dua and be hopeful. Call the reviver Allah. Call who? The reviver, the one who brings the dead back to life, the one who brings what is dead back to life, the one who gives life to the dead, the one who gives hope after people have lost hope. Make dua, call upon him and be hopeful. Yes, he is waiting because he is the one who brings hope after people have despair. He is the one who brings happiness after people were sad. He is the one who brings greatness after people have lost their total hope. And listen to Allah. الله الذي يرسل الرياح فتثير سحابا فيبسطه في السماء كيف يشاء ويجعله كسفا فترى الودق يخرج من خلاله فإذا أصاب به من يشاء من عباده إذا هم يستبشرون وإن كانوا من قبل أن ينزل عليهم من قبله لمبلسين فانظر إلى آثار رحمة الله كيف يحيي الأرض بعد موتها. Allah is the one. Allah is the one who sends the winds and it rains the clouds and he spread it in the sky as he wills. And he breaks it into fragments, and you see rain come forth from the cloud. فَإِذَا أَصَابَ بِهِ مَنْ يَشَاءُ مِنْ عِبَادِهِ. When he caused that rain to fall upon those of his servants whom he wills, إِذَا هُمْ يَسْتَبْشِرُونَ. Now they are joyful, they are happy. But subhanallah, وَإِنْ كَانَ مِنْ قَبْلِ أَنْ يُنَزَّلَ عَلَيْهِمْ مِنْ قَبْلِهِ لَمُبْلِسِينَ. Even though before the rain, before the coming of the rain, they have lost hope. They thought no more rain. They thought no more life. They thought they are gone. They are done. Everything is done. Allah said, after they have lost hope, we gave them the rain. Allah said, فَانظُرْ and look. فَانظُرْ. Come on, look. إِلَىٰ آثَارِ رَحْمَةِ اللَّهِ. Look at the print of Allah's mercy. كيف يحيي الأرض بعد موتها. How he revives the earth after its death. Ya Allah. So that child of yours that is not listening, that is not obeying, Allah can bring him back to the right path. So never lose hope. That daughter of yours that is not listening to you, Allah can bring her back to you. Don't lose hope. Just look. إلى آثار رحمة الله كيف يحيي الأرض بعد موتها. Look at the print of Allah's mercy. Allah revives the earth after its death. إن ذلك لمحيي الموتى. The one who did that is the one who will give life to the dead. وهو على كل شيء قدير. Is capable of everything. Allah is capable of everything. He can make it happen. You are your Ramadan. Do you hear what the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said? ثلاثة لا ترد دعوتهم. There are three sets of people that their dua will never be returned. It will never be rejected. Al-Imam al-Adil, a just Imam, a just leader, was Sa'im hatta yufṭir. And the person, the one who is fasting until he breaks his fast. Make dua. You are here Ramadan. Make dua and be hopeful. hope for goodness, hope for change. Allah can make it happen. Never have doubt in Him. He is calling you, that call upon me, I will give it to you. Because وَعِنْدَ الْخَزَائِنِ, the khaza'in, the storehouse of all the treasures is with Him. And He's calling, call upon me, I will make it happen. May Allah make it happen for you. May Allah grant you your wish, but your good wish, not your bad wish. May Allah grant you what you want to happen, the good things that you want for yourself and you want for others. But if you have a bad wish, may Allah not grant you that. May Allah send it back to you. Never wish bad. Because I say, may Allah accept your dua. Some people's dua are evil. What they want to see is Him going down. What they want to see is Him destroyed. What they want to see is the downfall of the other one. What they want to see is even to wipe the person on the surface of the earth to die. That's the supplication of others. If this is your supplication, may Allah take it back to you. But otherwise, if you have good intentions, that thing that you are hoping for, hoping for the other. You want to live, you want happiness, you want goodness. Hope that and pray that and wish that. For the other one, inshallah, Allah will grant you and grant him.